Oh man, check that out. And remove this paper. And we have ourselves an M65 Alpha Industries jacket. Here it is, field coat. So I got an XL because that's usually what I wear. So let's go try it on right now. I did receive the Heritage model as well, so the reason why is because I just like the way it looked better, so, and that's exactly why I picked it out compared to the other one. This is really heavy duty as well. There we go. So if you notice here, I have long sleeves, so I will be putting these here, and same thing on this side. Go ahead and tie this up. And if you can see clearly here, that this jacket does fit, and I took my regular size instead of what I would usually get, so I would say this jacket definitely fits, gives room. One thing I do like about it as well is in the back here, definitely a nice pants, you can see. Is it the best head in the world? Probably not, but will it do for what I need it to do when I need it to do it? Absolutely. To me, that's pretty important. So tell me, you guys, what you think. Is if you guys gotten an Alpha Industries M65 jacket, let me know down in the comments. For the follow-on video, I am going to leave what I think is best, and you guys check it out. And thank you guys very much. I'll leave my Instagram down in the description as well, so if you're interested, you can follow me there as well. Thank you guys very much. Have a wonderful day.